Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mini Cooper service light. This common indicator signals when routine maintenance is due, but you can easily reset it yourself. You'll learn a straightforward process that saves you time and potentially money. We'll cover everything from accessing the service menu to confirming the reset, ensuring your dashboard is clear and ready for your next adventure. First, get into your Mini Cooper and insert the key fob. Press the start button once without pressing the brake pedal, so the ignition is on but the engine remains off. Now, locate the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until the service menu appears on your display. This is your gateway to resetting those pesky service lights. Once in the service menu, use the same trip reset button to cycle through the various service items. Each press will advance to the next item, such as oil service or brake fluid. When you find the specific service you wish to reset, stop pressing. Then, press and hold the button again for about 3 to 5 seconds until a reset option appears and confirms the action. It's that simple. After confirming the reset, the display will typically show a message like "Reset Successful" or the service interval will update. To finalize the process and save these changes, simply turn off your Mini Cooper's ignition completely. Once you restart your car, you'll notice that the service light for that specific item is now off, giving you peace of mind and a clear dashboard. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.